Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you what to do if your Fios box not showing the guide. So if your Fios box is not showing the channel guide or the guide screen is blank, you can try these easy fixes. So in the first solution, you just have to restart the Fios box. For that, you just have to first of all unplug the Fios box from the power. Then simply wait for 60 seconds. Now this waiting time is important because it is going to clear any type of temporary memory errors. After the 60 seconds, simply just plug the box in and allow it to fully reboot. Now this may take 1 to 2 minutes, so you just have to be patient. Once the system loads, simply press the guide button again. In many cases, this immediately restores the guide, but if the issue still persists, you can just try our second solution. In it, you just have to check the internet, the network connection. So the Fios guide depends on a stable network connection. If your internet connection is unstable, the guide may fail to load. So you can just simply restart your router and wait until it is fully back online. So you can check the guide again. Now in the next solution, sometimes the guide is working, but the remote command isn't registering properly. So you can press the guide button firmly. You can replace the remote batteries if needed. The delayed button response often looks like a system issue. Now if the screen partially loads but remain black, the box may not be receiving the proper data. So in this case, you just have to switch to the channels a few times and return to the guide. This forces the system to refresh the channel information. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.